place, 3 places. Towards the positive direction we have to mark. Then answer is what? Positive 5. Now numbers. Really, what is called a directed numbers. In a directed number, numerical value shows its magnitude and the plus or negative sign its directions. This type of numbers are called directed numbers. Today we are talk about simplification of this number by using number lines and without using the number lines, and addition of directed numbers, subtraction, multiplication and division. And all the simplifications related to directed numbers we supposed to cover through this seminar. Right. First question, value of each of the following using the number line. Now look at plus 2 plus 3. This is the 0. From the left hand side of this 0, these numbers are negative numbers. Right hand side, positive numbers. Then you can see from 0 to left hand side, negative numbers, and the other side, right hand side, positive numbers. Now let's do the simplification of this sum, plus 2 plus 3. First of all, you have to look at the number plus 2 and you have to mark on the number line plus 2 plus 3. The where is another, we have to jump plus 3. Plus 3 is mean towards the positive direction. Then 1 place, 2 place, 3 places towards the positive direction we have to mark. Then answer is what? Positive 5. Now second question. Plus 8. Look at the position of plus 8 here. Here is the position of plus 8. Plus minus 5. Here direction has changed to other side. Minus 5 is means start from plus 8. 1 place. Start from plus 8. 1 place. 2 place. 3 place. 5 places towards the other side. Then answer is plus 3. Then I will mark it here. First mark the value plus 8. Then minus 5 towards the left hand side. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is plus 3. This is the answer. Now let's go to the next slide. Third question. Minus 2 plus 3. Then now look at the position of minus 2 in this number line. On the number line here, minus 2 is here. Plus 3, then towards the positive direction, right? 1, 2, 3 places toward the right hand side. So what is our answer? Minus 2, 1, 2, 3 places. Then positive 1. It is here, right? Positive 1. Answer is plus 1. And next question. Minus 3 plus minus 4. Minus 3 plus minus 4. Now look at the position of minus 3. It is here. Plus minus 4. Minus 4 is to other direction, right? Towards the left hand side. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 is here. Then let's mark. Minus 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 7. Then when we use the number line, what is the value? You can read the value here. Minus 7. Let's go to the next point. Adding directed numbers. Adding directed numbers. When we add in two directed numbers of the same sign, first add the two numbers without considering their signs. Include the same sign in the answer. If it is negative, negative, answer is negative value. Right? When adding the directed numbers, right? If is it positive, positive, when we add in the directed number, then answer is positive value. Now as an example, we can do this one. Plus 3 plus 2. This one is positive and this is also positive value. Then our answer also positive. Positive. Now add these two numerical values, 3 and 2, 5. Then our answer is plus 5. Now let's go to the next one. Right? Without concern the sign at these two numerical value. Because why? Because these two contain the same sign. When the same signs are there, we can add without concern the sign. Then after you can add the sign. Then 4 and 6, 10. Both of them contain minus. So answer is negative 10. Answer is negative 10 if not minus 10. Right, let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Plus 7 plus 3. Now without concern the signs, you can add this one. 7 and 3, 10. Both contain positive, so you can write here positive 10. 10 and 5, 15. Both of these consist negative, so you can write minus 15. Now add these two, right? Positive and positive. Then same common denominator. So we can add numerators 1 and 2, 3 over 3. That is positive. 3 divided by 3, positive 1 is the answer here. Now look at this. Both consist of negative values. So you can add minus 4 and minus 5. That is minus, 0.9. Minus 0.4 and minus 0.5. Then when we add 0.9, answer is minus 0.9. Look at the next slide. When adding two directed numbers of different signs, earlier we talked about the adding directed numbers with same sign, right? Positive, positive and negative, negative. Now we are talking here adding two directed numbers of the different signs, positive and negative. First find the difference of their numerical values without considering their signs and include the signs of directed number having the larger magnitude of its answer. Can you understand? Right? Then when there are different signs are there, when we add in, you can't add. You have to take the difference. Right? Then from the larger numerical value, subtract the smaller numerical value and put the answer. Then after that, you look at the larger numerical value. If the larger numerical value contain positive value, then answer is positive. If the larger numerical value contain negative, then answer is negative. Then by using the example, let's understand how to do this. Plus 8 plus minus 3. Now take the difference 8, then 8 is the larger numerical value. Then from 8 subtract 3. 8 is large here, so from the as a numerical value, 8 subtract 3, write the answer 5 here. Then 8 contain positive, so you can write here plus 5. Right. Now next go to the next one. Then we can see plus 4.2 plus minus 6.3. Now take the difference from the larger numerical value, subtract the smaller numerical value 4.2. Then numerical value, right? We are not concerned in the signs here. Then here 1, here 6 subtract 4, 2, 2.1. Then now look at the larger numerical value consists negative value. So the answer also contain negative. So answer is 2.1 minus 2.1. Our answer is minus 2.1. Right. Let's do these sums according to that concept, right? When different signs are adding, you have to take the difference and the answer, we have to add the sign of the large numerical value. Now look at, we have to add these two. So you can take the difference. Difference of 10 and 4 is 6. 10 contain negative value, so you can include negative for the answer, minus 6. And now 7 plus 7 and minus 7. Then 7 subtract 7, 0. Then answer is 0. Here, take the difference of these two. 3.4 plus minus 5.2. Then 5.2 is the larger numerical value, but we are not concerned the signs. I told you 5.2 subtract 3.4. 12 subtract 4, 8. 1.8. But this larger numerical value contain negative, mean minus, so you can write the answer minus 1.8. Now go to the next one. Right. Now look at this. We have to add, then plus 2 plus 4. Like first concept, we can add the same sign. So sign is same. 2 and 4, 6. For the next one, follow the second concept. Right now, you have to take the difference of these two. Right? Then 9 subtract 6, 3. But this 9 is the larger numerical value. It contains minus, so answer is minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Now let's go to next sum. Minus 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Now look at this minus 3 plus minus 1. When same signs are adding, the answer contain the sign this both of this contain, then minus 4 plus minus 4. Now here also same sign. Answer is what that? Minus 8. Now look at this one. In this sum, plus 5 over 7 plus minus 2 over 7. We are adding the difference signs. So you have to take the difference. 5 over 7 subtract 2 over 7, 3 over 7. Larger numerical value contain plus, so you can write the answer plus 3 over 7. Right, let's go to the next slide. At the following directed numbers. Plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. So all are positive numerical values, so it is easy to add. Right here plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. Plus 3 and plus 5 plus 8. Then plus 4 plus 12. Straightly you can write the answer here plus 12. Now this one plus 2 plus 5 plus minus 3. First I will add these two. Plus 2 and plus 5 same signs are adding. The answer is plus 7 plus minus 3. Now different signs are adding. You have to take the difference of them. The difference of plus 7 and minus 3 is 4. Larger numerical value contain positive value. So answer is positive 4. Next one, minus 3 plus minus 5 plus minus 6. First I will add this two, minus 3 plus minus 5, same signs we have to add. But they take the sign of this both consist, then minus 8 plus minus 6. This one also, right? Same signs are here. Then add 14, both contain minus, so minus 14. Next one, plus 7 plus minus 5 plus minus 2. So we can write here plus 7 plus minus 5, different signs we add in. We have to take the difference, plus 7 plus minus 5 plus 2. 7 subtract 5, that is 2. Right? Then remain from this plus 2 plus minus 2. When different signs are simplified, what is the answer here? 0 plus 2 plus minus 2. Answer is 0 here. Right. Let's go to the next slide. Subtract directed numbers from another directed number. Subtracting directed number from another. Then here also we have to concern very important two method. Instead of subtraction of directed number, it is easy to add the additive inverse. Can you remember what is called the additive inverse? Additive inverse is mean now as an example, positive 1. Additive inverse is negative 1. Positive 3. Additive inverse is negative 3. Negative 7. Additive inverse positive 7. Right? Which add up to 0 are called additive inverse. Right? Then here we can do like this. We can do these few examples to understand about this concept. Instead of subtraction of directed number, it is easy to add the additive inverse. Plus 5 plus 2. Right. Instead subtraction, we can change the sign. Plus 5 plus, instead minus, you can add plus here. Now write the additive inverse of this plus 2. Additive inverse of plus 2 is minus 2, and we can write plus 5 plus minus 2. According to the addition rule of directed numbers, when different signs are adding, you have to take the difference and the answer contain the sign contained in the large numerical value. Then now you have to subtract this 2. 5 subtract 2, that is 3. Larger numerical value is plus 5, it's contained plus, so answer is plus 3. Now let's go to the second question. Plus 4 minus plus 6. Plus 4, write the addition sign and write the additive inverse of plus 6, that is minus 6. Right. Now take the difference of these two. From the larger numerical value, subtract the smaller. Then 6 subtract 4. Right. Can you see? 6 subtract 4. 6 subtract 4, that is 2. Right. Then you can write here 2. But this 6 contain negative value. So the answer also consists with this negative. Right. Negative. Then minus 2 is the answer here. Then minus 5 minus 5. So we can write minus 5. Change the sign, write with addition, and the here this minus 5 minus change into additive inverse of minus 5 is positive 5. Then when different signs add in, we have to subtract 5, answer is 0 here. I think you already understood this, right? This concept also. So we'll do a few sums related to this. Right, find the value of each of the following. Plus 2 minus 4. Plus 2, instead minus, you can write addition sign and write the additive inverse of minus 4 plus 4. Now add plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? Plus 6. Now here, minus 5, instead negative, you can write positive and write the additive inverse of positive 2, that is negative 2. Then minus 5 plus minus 2. When same signs are adding, we are adding this and include the sign of this both numerical value contain. Then answer is 7. Both of them contain minus, answer is minus 7. And this one, minus 7 plus 3. Now you can write here minus 7 plus 3. You have to take the difference of when different signs are there. We have to take the difference. 7 subtract 3, 4. Larger numerical value is 7. It's contained minus, so answer is minus 4. Now let's go to the next one. Minus 12 minus 15. This one. Minus 12 minus 15 minus plus 5. Now you can write this with additive inverse of this. Minus 12. Instead, write in minus, you can write plus. Then write the additive inverse of minus 15 plus 15 minus. Instead minus, I will write here positive. Instead positive, I can write here additive inverse minus 5. Now, first I will simplify these two. Minus 12 plus 15. Then plus 3. Right? Take the difference of this 15 subtract 12. 3. The larger numerical value contain plus. So plus 3 plus minus 5. Now simplify these two. These two. Then here plus 3 plus minus 5. Here also different signs we have to add. So you can take the difference. 5 subtract 3, 2. Larger numerical value 5 contain minus. So we can write the answer minus 2. Next one. Plus 4. Include instead this positive and they write the additive inverse negative 1. Now take the difference of this. 4 subtract 1. 4 subtract 1, that is 3. Larger numerical value contain positive value. So the answer is plus 3. Now next question, minus 8 plus, write the additive inverse of minus 2 plus 2. Then minus 8 plus 2. You have to take the difference of this because when we add in the different sides, you have to take the difference. 8 subtract 2, 6 and the 8 contain minus. So answer is minus 6. I think you understood this concept, right? When we add in different signs, you have to subtract. You have to take the difference and the answer contain the sign that contain in the larger numerical value. When subtraction, instead of subtractions, we can do the addition and we can change the next numbers additive inverse. We can write the next number as the additive inverse of that, right? And then you can simplify it. Then again, I will go to the slide, the previous one, and I will show you. Sorry. Here, instead subtraction of directed numbers, it is easy to add the additive inverse. Right, we have done this. And we subtract this directed number using a number line. Right. We'll use a number line and we'll do the subtraction. Here also, when we mark the values on the number line, it is easy for us to, first of all, we can write plus 3. Instead here, minus, you can write positive and write the additive inverse here, negative 5. Then you can mark it on the number line, right? Then I will start with minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will mark these values as positive. These are positive. Now look at the positive 3. It is here. Then jump 5 places towards the negative side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is to here. Then what is the answer? You can write negative 2. Answer is negative 2. Right. We'll do the next question. Here also it is easy for you. Instead writing negative plus 3, change the sign to positive and write the additive inverse plus 5. Now draw the number line. Positive 4. Positive 3. Mark it here. And jump 5 places towards the positive side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now read the answer here. That is plus 8. Answer is plus 8. Right. Let's do the next one. Part 3. Question number 6, part 3. I told you instead writing like this, you can change the sign. Plus 8 plus additive inverse of plus 4 is here. Sorry, negative 4 is plus 4. Now you can mark the values on the number line. I will start with plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Right. Now look at plus 8. Plus 8 is here. Positive 8 is here. And jump 4 places towards the right hand side, positive side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. It's mean here. This here. Then answer is what? Positive 12. Now look at next question. Part 4. Minus 3 minus plus 5. Right. Instead this minus I will write addition sign and I will write the reciprocal of this minus 5. Now draw the number line. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Then first look at the number minus 3. Where is that? It is over here, minus 3. And plus minus 5, it means towards the left hand side, toward the minus direction, 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then to here, right? So we can write the value here, minus 8. Right. Here also we have to use the number line. Plus 7 minus, I will write that positive, and here I will write the additive inverse 7. Now let's draw the number line here. Plus 5, plus 6. I will start to mark from positive values, right? Plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, plus 11, plus 12, plus 13, plus 14, plus 15. So I will mark positive 7. Plus 7 is over here, and then plus 7 is mean towards the right hand side, 7 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This here, right, over here. Answer is plus 14. Right. Next sum. Minus 6. Instead writing minus, we can write positive. And here additive inverse of plus 6 is minus 6. Now let's draw the number line. I will start with minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. First I will mark here minus 6. It is over here. And 6 places towards the left hand side, right? It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump to here. Then answer is minus 12. Then we can write the answer minus 12. Next, let's go to the next slide. Find the value of each of the following without using a number line. Now we are not going to use the number line. Without using the number line, we are going to do the simplification. Right. Here plus 4. Write the positive sign, and here plus 1 write additive inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. Now when adding different signs, you have to take the difference. The difference of 4 and 1 is 5. Take the sign of the larger numerical value. Answer is plus 5. Answer is plus 5. Sorry. When different signs are there, you have to subtract. What is the difference of this? 3, right? Sorry, that there is a small mistake. Difference is what here? Difference is 3, ne? Right. Then answer is plus 3. Next question. Question number 2. Minus 8 plus, here additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. Now take the difference of this. Difference is 8 subtract 2, 6. This one contain minus, so answer is minus 6. And next question. Minus 3 additive inverse. We have to write off this one is plus 7. Then add plus 7. Now take difference signs are here. Take the difference. 7 subtract 3, 4. Then plus 4. Now go to the next one. Plus 9 plus additive inverse plus 6. Now you have to add these two. That is same signs are we have to add right here. Then add here, that is 15. Positive 15 is the answer here. And now minus 5. Write with positive sign, and additive inverse of minus 5 is plus 5. Then you have to subtract 5, subtract 5, 0. Then this one. I forget to put the sign here, so you can write in between this negative sign. Right, then 0, write with addition sign positive, and here additive inverse of plus 3 is negative 3. Then you can write difference here. Difference is minus 3. Difference is minus 3. Seventh question. Plus 2 plus minus 1 minus minus 4. Plus 2 plus minus 1. First add these two. Minus minus 4. When we add these two, plus 2 and plus minus 1, you have to take the difference, that is plus 1. Minus minus 4. Then plus 1. The additive inverse, we can put the addition sign here. Additive inverse of minus is plus. You can write 1 and 4, answer is plus 5. Plus 5. Now first concern this, right? Plus 4, instead of my negative, you can write positive and write the additive inverse of plus 2, then minus 2. Here also, instead negative I will write positive, I will write the additive inverse of plus 8, minus 8. Now first simplify these two. When adding different signs, you have to take the difference. 4 subtract 2 plus 2, here plus minus 8. Right, you can take the difference of these two, that is 6. Next question, that is minus 6 here. Right, next one, ninth one. Minus 2, minus, then we can write here instead this plus. Plus additive inverse of this plus 3.5 minus 3.5. Add, here also additive inverse is plus 4.1. Now you can take here difference of this. No, not difference, same signs you have to add. Minus 2 and minus 3.5. Then minus 5.5 plus 4.1. Then difference of this we have to take. Then when we add in different signs, you have to take the difference. Then 1.4. But this one contains negative, so answer is negative 1.4. This one, 3.5 Instead minus write positive and write the additive inverse of minus 2 plus 2 and plus here also plus 1/3. When we add in 5 and half, 5 and half plus 1/3, then answer is plus 5 and 5 over 6. When we add this to this 5 and half, then 5 and half plus 1/3. I told you never how to add this type of 5. Then plus cross multiplication 3 times 1 3 over here 2 times 1 2. 2 times 3 6. Then 5 and 5 over 6. Then you can write the answer positive 5 and 5 over 6. Next one, multiplying directed numbers. That is easy really. In multiplication of directed numbers, the sign of the products is as following. When numbers with the same sign are multiplied, the product is positive. Right now, as an example, look at here. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, then also plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Numbers are multiply are different signs. The product is negative. Right? When numbers with same signs are multiplied, product is positive. Then numbers we multiply are different signs, the product is negative. Right? So it is easier than the addition and subtractions of directed numbers. Here, multiply directed numbers. So now we will apply the concept here. Plus into minus, write the minus, 4 times 3, 12. Now, second one. Plus into minus, minus, 5 times 3, 15. Minus into minus plus 20 into 3, 60. Minus into plus minus 9 times 7, 63. Minus into plus then also a minus 9 times 7, 63. Minus into minus plus 8 times 4, 32. Plus into plus plus 16. Minus into plus minus 45. Ninth. Multiply these directed numbers. When I am multiplying, doing like this. Plus into minus, minus, minus times plus, minus. 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 1, 9. Answer is minus 9. This one also plus times minus, minus, minus into minus plus. Positive. 5 times 2, 10 times 3, 30. This one plus into minus, minus times plus minus, 5 times 2, 10 times 7, 70. Minus into minus, plus into minus, minus. 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27. This one also plus into minus, minus into 0. Then answer is really 0. Any number when multiplied by 0, answer is 0 here. Right? Next one. Plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus, plus. So I just put the sign first. 8 times 5, 40 times 280 plus 80. Right. I think you understood totally about the multiplication of directed numbers. Division of directed numbers. Right? When dividing directed numbers by another directed number, divide by considering their magnitudes without considering their signs. Right? Includes positive sign in the answer if two directed numbers are of the same sign. Include negative sign in the answer if two directed numbers are opposite sign. Now as an example, look at here. Minus divide by minus. Same sign. So positive sign we have to add. Positive 6 divide by, next divide these numbers. 6 divide by 2, 3 plus 3. Then different signs. Plus divide by minus, then minus 6 divide by 2, 3. Minus 3 is the answer here. Right. We'll start to do this. First, minus divide by minus plus 6 divide by 2, 3 plus 3. Plus divide by minus minus 6 divide by 2 minus 3. Divide these directed numbers. Minus divide by plus. Here I will write minus 15 divide by 3, 5. Minus 5. This one. Minus divide by plus minus 10 divide by 5, 2. Minus 2. And this one plus 24 divide by plus 4. Plus divide by plus plus. 24 divide by 4, that is 6. Plus 6 is the answer here. Next one. Plus divide by minus minus 36 divide by 6, 6. Minus 6. 45 divide by minus minus 45 divide by 5, 9. Minus 9. Plus 3 divide by minus minus 3 divide by 1, that is 3. Minus 3. Sixth one, minus 3. Eleventh one. Find the value of each of the following. Plus 10 divide by plus 2. Straightly plus divide by plus plus. 10 divide by 2, 5 plus 5. Minus divide by minus, then also plus 12 divide by 4, 3 plus 3. Plus divide by minus, minus 15 divide by 3 minus 5. Minus divide by minus, then you can write plus. 20 divide by 5, 4. Plus 4. And this one. First of all, we can simplify over the line. Right? Plus 2 into plus 8 plus 16 divide by below the line minus 4. Then answer is plus divide by minus minus 16 divide by 4, 4. Answer is minus 4. Then over the line simplify. Plus 5 into minus 4 minus 20 over the line. Minus into minus plus 2 times 2, 4 below the line. Minus divide by plus minus 20 divide by 4, that is 5. Minus 5. Find the value of each of the following. Find the value. Then minus 36 over the line. Below the line, minus into minus plus 6 times 2, 12. Then minus 36 to divide by 12, that is 3. Minus into minus plus 9 times 8. 72 over the line and minus 4 times 3, 12. 72 divided by 12 minus 6. Minus 6. 13th question. Again related to earlier ones. Here's plus 3. Instead of subtraction, you can write the addition sign and write the additive inverse of minus 4 plus 4. Then plus 3 and plus 4, answer is plus 7. In this sum, minus 8, write the plus sign here. Instead minus 3, write the additive inverse plus 3. Then take the difference of this. Different signs are adding. You have to take the difference. The answer, take the sign of the larger numerical value. You have to take the difference of 8 and 3, that is 5 minus 5. 14. Find the value plus 3 into minus 4. Plus into minus, minus 3 times 4, 12. Plus into minus, minus into minus, plus 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24. Plus 24. Next one. Next one. Here, plus 4 plus minus 3 minus minus 2 plus plus 3. Then you can write here plus 4. Then you can simplify these two. We have to take the difference of these two, right? One is plus, other one is minus. So difference of this is plus 1. I will write it here, plus 1. Here minus, instead minus you can write addition. Write the additive inverse of this minus 2, plus 2, plus 3. Plus 1 and plus 2, plus 3, plus 3 and plus 3, plus 6. Answer is plus 6. I hope you already understood totally about the directed numbers. Already I have covered addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the directed numbers, right? Okay.